Welcome everybody to the fourth episode of this awesome HTML series. In this video we will be looking over a very core essential part of HTML called attributes. Now this video will be pretty long, so I will split it up into two parts. In the first part I'll talk about the actual attributes and how they're used, how to just get a grasp of how to use them. In the second part I will go over another type of attribute called a core attribute, which I will go into further detail again in the second video. And anyways, for these two parts, one thing will be in common: a warning. If you are not using VS Code, I do strongly suggest that you do. If you don't have it installed, it's really easy to install. Just kind of search up VS Code or Visual Studio Code installer, or do a quick AI search how to install VS Code, and that should have that all done with. If you haven't watched our previous videos, I will be using those in this video, plus there are some concepts that I explained back there that you will need to watch this full video and fully understand it. Yep, so without any further ado, let's dive right in. Well, let's open up my VS Code editor. And I have this file called attributes.html. It's basically a mix of our video 2 code and video 3 code. This is from video 3, if you don't remember, and this is from video 2. So, yep. This is a p tag. This is just some revision. P tag, simple paragraph tag. This is a heading tag. As the name suggests, it's a heading tag. So what attributes do, they aren't a tag anymore. Okay, we've kind of emerged out of that era. What the basic structure of a tag is, attribute. I keep on saying tag. I've been saying tag this entire time. I mean attribute, okay? Attribute name is equal to, and then inside of these double quotation marks, the attribute value. Okay? Now, there are multiple attributes, so this attribute name can be whatever. Different tags have different attributes, so a p tag might have a different attribute list to a h1 tag. But one example is maybe a title tag. You might be getting deja vu from the title tag. Wait, I said attribute tag again. Sorry, I mean title attribute. The title attribute, you might be getting deja vu from the title tag that we discussed in episode 1. If you have forgotten that, please go back and watch episode 1. And over here, I can do hello. Okay. And if I save this, Control S, or you can go File, and where is it? Save. Okay. And also, I realized in my last video I explained this whole go live feature with the extensions. If you forgot that, just a quick overview. Search up live server on the extensions tab. This live servers thing, you just click on that. Over here for me it says uninstall. For you it'll say install. Just install that and you will have this button over here, go live. Click that and you have this open. Essentially what it does is it just saves you the hassle of continuously clicking this reload button when you really don't want to. So yeah, that's just a handy little tip to have. It's really helpful for all these big projects but I did go into like further deep like a deep overview of what it is in the last episode or the episode before that. So just watch that, please. Now, anyways, this title hello, I didn't even show you guys what it is. If I hover over hello now, you'll see this little other text box thing over there. See, try and get my cursor over, but you guys can see that little hello box popping up over there. That's basically what the title tag does. If I want to change the color of it, now color is a bit more like advanced. If I change so the name is style tag, okay, a style attribute, sorry, but what the style attribute does is that it lets you put CSS, which is another coding language. I'll put up maybe like another playlist on that, into your HTML code, but like I won't really go into detail how to do that. For now, just do like a simple color, and then I'll do like maybe blue. I can't spell blue. There you go. Save it, Control S, and if I hop back here, hello is blue. The title went away. Now we can do this to whichever tag I want actually. So if I just quickly do a quick copy, paste it there. Now if I go back here, now heading is blue. Also, you can put more than one attribute onto a single tag. So if I go comma, title, big heading, then I save it and I go over back here. If I hover over this, I'll say big heading. So that's just like a cool little feature that HTML has, but it is really, really essential for some of the other tags that we will end up using later on, like the anchor tag, like the image tag, and so on and so forth. So I really do think that attributes are essential actually for this whole progression of HTML. Well, I think that's it for this first part. I will post a part 2 onto my channel soon. I don't really know when I'll get to it, but I'll post it soon enough, okay? Well, that's it for this episode. Bye.